Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Vivomove 3S and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. Before we start, if you want to change the watch face on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the app. Once you open the application, you should see the home page. Now tap on More, scroll down, find the Garmin devices and tap on it. And here you should see your Vivomove 3S on the list. Tap on it to select it. Now find the option called Appearance, tap on it and then tap on Watch Face. And here we can select one of the watch faces. And once you select the watch face, go back to the device page. You will see the message settings saved successfully. Sync your watch with your phone, and once you sync them, the watch face should be applied. So let's try to wake up the screen. As you can see, the watch face was applied. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.